Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, button crafts ideas, friends. So viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, button crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Turn a simple button into a colorful art. Friends, colorful art, glue them on frame, cards, bright color make every project cheerful. Buttons bring creative to life. And viewers, button jewelry, make unique jewelry with buttons, necklaces, bracelet or earrings. Mix and match colors and shape. Handmade always feel special and fun. Button home decoration, decorate your home with buttons, glue button or jar, picture frame or vase. It's add charm, colors and personality. Simple button can transform any space. Die button flower, creative cheerful flower using buttons, stitch small buttons or use wire. Bright color and neat designs make them special. Button flower never fades and look cheerful and forever. And viewers, making greeting card or gift decoration with buttons, glue small buttons with creative patterns, add handmade ties to every present. Buttons make gifts extra thoughtful. Buttons are perfect for kids craft, creating animal, flower or shapes. It is colorful, easy and fun. Kids love to play and learn with the buttons. Simple buttons, creative ideas, fun. Buttons are small but they bring big creative to your crafts. And weavers make colorful coaster using buttons, glue buttons on wooden base or crock. Bright color and pattern make them fun and useful. Small buttons can create a big beauty. Creative accurate magnet. Creative cute magnet with buttons, glue buttons or small magnet for your fridge. Mix color and size, unique designs, button make everything cheerful. Button picture frame, decorate picture frame with buttons, glue buttons or around the edge for a colorful look. It's add the edge for colorful look. It's add charm and personality to your photo. Button turn simple frame into special art. So viewers, make buttons keychains for yourself, for gifts. Stick buttons or choose fun shapes. Add a key rings and hang anywhere. Buttons make small scenes.